Doc. First of all, thank you po for allowing me to conduct this interview with you. Tapos, I just want you to know that this is in lieu to my radio project for the Canadian broadcast. And for the said project, I am discussing the benefits of completing 8 glasses of water each day. And I realize that a medical doctor like you is the best resource person to be interviewed for this. And I'm hoping that we can survive the 20-minute requirement for this interview. By the way, I am Denise Alan Caso po, and I'm taking Master in Development Communication, University of the Philippines, Open University. Yun po yung online school.
Okay.
So, ready po? Yung first question ko po is it correct that we need to drink at least 8 glasses of water?
Oh, I think it's correct.
Okay po. Bakit po kailangan 8 glasses?
I really do not know the basis for the 8 glasses. But if you drink more water, that will be very beneficial to your body. Let's say you urinate a lot, parang you hydrate the cells of the body. Oo. So,
Pero
the number 8, I really don't know the basis for that.
Okay po. So, okay lang po bang 6 or 7?
Okay lang 6 or 7. Let's say, depende upon the weather conditions. Let's say, or your activities. If you are perspiring a lot, pagka pagod na pagod ka, trabaho ng trabaho, you need more than 8. Pero if you are sedentary, you are in an aircon room, you are not losing water a lot, you are probably 6 glasses of water, they would be good enough.
Thank you po for that. Pero, yung na-mention nyo na po yun, kung it depends kung sa activity ng katawan.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
So, kapag more than 8 po ba, hindi po yung magiging masama?
Hindi naman. Hindi naman. Unless na, we are talking here about healthy persons, diba?
Opo.
Pag a patient with heart disease, no, you don't have to drink 8 glasses of water. Dapat lesser than that. If you have heart disease or kidney disease,
Okay. We can dig on that later.
Later,
part.
basta for healthy people.
Opo. For healthy
It's not
people,
harmful
na
to
mas
drink
marami.
more than 8. Kasi the kidneys will eliminate that, the extra water.
So, talking about healthy people pa rin po, yung 8 glasses po ba is applicable to all ages?
No, it's not.
Okay po.
Adults yan.
Adults lang.
Adults.
So, kapag children po, mga ilang glasses?
Walang na-establish ang children.
Wala.
Wala.
Pero,
I really don't know how many glasses.
pero pwede pong 6, okay na po yung 6.
4 to 6.
So, aside from sa age po, pwede na po natin ipasok dito yung mga diseases. Meron pa po bang dapat i-consider na factor sa dami ng iniinom na tubig? So, for example,
So,
na po yung na-mention.
di ba yung factors natin, yung activity,
Opo.
kung strenuous activity, you engage in sports a lot, you need more than 8 glasses of water, activity, isa yun. Tapos, the environment,
Opo.
kung hot or cold or yung
Yung weather.
weather, nasa weather conditions. If you perspire a lot, summer, more than 8 glasses. Ano pa ba iba?
Pag cold weather po, katulad ngayon na medyo malamig.
Malamig. Not really, you don't need 8 glasses.
Sige po.
So, siguro doon sa activity, if you work under the sun so much, like carpenters or road workers,
Opo.
siguro they need more than 8. Or
Pag nasa open field po.
nasa open field kasi nagpe-perspire lang sila.
Hindi naman po yung makakasama sa sa kidney. Nagpa-process siya ng water.
Hindi. If you have healthy kidneys, good for the kidneys.
Sige po. Meron po bang difference kapag ang iniinom natin is cold water compared to lukewarm water?
Wala ko alam. I don't know.
Pero, if you would suggest po, ano pong type ng water yung ideal na inumin? Okay po ba yung tap water o mas maganda yung bottled water, yung mga mineral, gano'n?
Kasi depende sa water supply ng country.
For us po.
For us, siguro, mas safer to drink bottled water.
Kasi hindi na po masyadong healthy yung mga...
Pero itong Maynila, tsaka I read in the papers that the safety of Maynila water is about 99%. Sabi nila. I don't know recently. Pero siguro natatakot pa rin tayo kasi nga our environment is so very dirty.
Oo nga.
Kahit mo sabihin ng Maynila na gano'n.
So, minsan yung mga
Pipelines.
di ba? Kaya nga po pinapalitan na nila ngayon ng PVC. Sige po. Let's proceed po dun sa benefits. Ano po yung masasabi niyo mga benefits ng drinking or
Drinking
completing a lot of water? So, tatanggalin ko na po yung 8 glasses. It's mas magandang a lot of water. Sige po. Ano
Benefits.
Po yung, benefits.
Good hydration, good hydration for our cells.
Opo.
Yung cells ng katawan natin hydrated. So pag hydrated ka daw, you will look younger.
Opo.
Kasi yung mga cells mo, hindi siya magre-wrinkle, less wrinkle. So it's also beneficial to the kidneys,
Opo.
na inilinis. It's also good for bowel movement.
Opo. Marami nga po pala talaga siyang
Benefits. Kasi hindi ka makakonstipate.
Hindi ka makakonstipate.
Prevention of constipation.
Yung mga sa mga ubo.
Sa ubo, yeah, that's right. If you're good for
Sige po. Meron po bang right timing ng pag-inom ng water?
Wala naman. As you need it. Wala naman.
As you need it.
Oo.
So, kailan po natin malalaman, meron po bang signs yung body natin na sinasabi niyang nauuhaw na tayo?
May signs, syempre, dryness of the mouth.
Dryness of the mouth.
We feel dry sa mouth. Tsaka you don't urinate. Or your urine is very, very dark yellow. Ibig sabihin, wala ka ng water masyado.
Totoo po ba yung sinasabi sa studies na mas lalong wala kang iniinom na tubig, mas lalo kang hindi mo nararamdaman yung uhaw?
I don't think so. Kung ang body mo, healthy body, the body gives you a signal, a warning that you lack water. Yun nga, magko-conserve yung kidney ng ihi, hindi kayo ihi talaga. Ganun, nagko-conserve. So, may signal ang body na you really need water. Meron siyang pinapadalang signal to the taste buds, to the mouth.
Pero nabanggit niyo po na okay lang na 6 or 7 glasses of water. Now, paano po kung parating 5 to 6 glasses of water lang iinom ng isang tao? Meron po ba siyang bad effect sa katawan?
Siguro kung konti ang water, yun nga, makakonstipate ka.
So,
Tapos you will be prone to urinary tract infections.
Prone to UTI.
Oo, UTI.
Tapos mas may wrinkles.
Siguro. Yeah. Lagi nila sinasabi yun.
Okay po. Sige. Dito po sa clinic niyo, Doc, how do you actually promote drinking water?
Especially for patients who come in for constipation, for recurrent UTI, for cough. Sabi nga nila, water daw sa respiratory infections, the best mucolytic. Pagpalusaw na phlegma.
Mucolytic bang palusaw?
Mucolytic yun, ng water.
So, yun po yung mga types of patients na sinasabihan. Aside from doon sa mga nabanggit po natin na mga diseases or illnesses, mayroon pa po bang specific na sakit na pwedeng makuha kapag hindi tayo nakakainom ng enough water?
Enough water. Dehydration, di ba? Dehydration, UTI, constipation. Wala na diseases.
Kapag na-dehydrate po tayo, what's normal
stroke.
after effect? Stroke. Heat stroke.
Heat stroke,
So, pag hindi nakakumpleto ng water, pwedeng mag-lead sa heat stroke.
Heat stroke,
So, yun na po yung
pinaka-grabe na, or dehydration. Siyempre, we are talking about healthy people, na hindi siya yung mga bata na who get dehydrated from diarrhea.
Kasi po, di ba yung mga pagkain din natin, meron din siyang water. So, for example po, meron po ba tayong mga alternatives like foods or fruits na nagre-replace ng water?
Oh yeah, that's right. Like the watermelon, yan ang pinaka-richest source ng water.
So, kapag
yung mga juicy na fruits.
Juicy fruits. So,
Juicy
kapag po
fruits
kumain na tayo nun, kahit less na yung talagang water intake.
Pwede naman.
Pwede naman. So, ibig sabihin po for, pwede siyang replacement niya. Pwede po ba natin i-discuss yung for example, let's start with the cough. So, pag may cough po, mas ilang water, how much water intake dapat yung...
Siguro more than the usual 8 glasses.
More than the usual 8 glasses.
Kasi nakakalusin talaga ng phlegm ang water.
So po yun yung
Oo,
major purpose
major
niya.
purpose niya.
For the UTI po,
Ganun din, more water.
more water.
Yun nga ang sinasabi nila, if you have a kidney stone, or yung gano'n ka, usually ang nire-recommend nila, maski 10 glasses of water a day.
10 glasses
Oo.
kapag may UTI. Lalo po pag recurrent.
Oo, yeah, that's right.
Sa constipation naman po,
Ganun din.
ganun din.
Pagka people prone to constipation, have to drink a lot. More than 8.
Now, di ba syempre po, sa small clinic natin dito, katulad ko, laging ubo yung pinupunta ko
Oo.
dito. Naitanong nyo na po ba sa mga patients kung bakit hindi nakaka-complete ng 8 glasses of water or more?
Minsan people, really, ayaw nila uminom masyado ng tubig. It's just by habit.
Bad
Na,
habit.
bad habit na hindi nila. O kaya they do not know the benefits of water. They'd rather take carbosustain rather than water as mucolytic kasi gusto nila prescription ng doctor. Pero maybe they are not informed or just by habit that they are not drinking water.
Okay po. So, equal po ba yung effect ng mucolytic sa ng water? O mas powerful?
Siguro mas maganda pa ang water. Best mucolytic daw, sabi nila yan sa medical literature. Hindi ko alam. Wala.
So, you would prefer, syempre of course, this is business, pero you would prefer your patients drinking water compared sa
Sa pag-take ng mucolytic, that's right. Totoo yun. Pero mahirap i-convince.
Mahirap i-convince.
Mahirap i-convince.
Kasi yung tiwala po nasa
Oo,
inyo na eh.
oo. At saka they'd rather have the prescription of the drug.
Opo. Na, syempre po bibigyan nyo na po siya ng, for example, yung makeup, bibigyan siya po ng prescription.
Oo.
Paano nyo naman po sinasabi or kino-convince sila na you drink more water?
O, di sasabihin mo yung benefits.
Sasabihin.
Sabihin mo na actually this cough remedy is really not essential. Yung nababasa ko sa libro, not essential. Sabi lang nila talagang the best mucolytic. You explain na is water. Oo. Kaya lang they pay you eh. The patients pay you. So alam ka naman i-prescribe mo, tubig lang. Diba?
So
Pero
parang,
it's really,
parang meron lang din silang dala pa.
oo, yeah.
Pero kasama po nun is yung biggest reminder na uminom na.
Inom na marami tubig. That's right.
Sige po, Doc. We're almost done. Meron lang po ba kayong mga additional information about drinking more water? Aside from doon sa na-discuss.
Wala na ako maalala.
Sige po. Again, thank you po for the time you spent with me. Maraming salamat po sa pagpapaunla. I've learned a lot today, and only if the medium broadcast that I'm writing will be aired, it is for sure na marami tayong mahikaya at makampletuhin yung pag-inom ng 8 basong tubig araw-araw. Magandang gabi po.
Okay,
Pasensya sa abang.
Okay, well.
Thank you po.
Dapat mag-research ka din eh. Dapat may scientific studies.
Actually,
Diba?
meron
May
naman
research ka
po.
ba? Oo.
Meron po. Pero pa nga po, bilang medical professional, syempre, maganda po na kasi we are talking, ang project po na to is parang i-air sa radio. So, hindi po pwedeng masyadong scientific, di ba? Parang
Hindi sila
yung abot lang ng
tama.
audience. Ayun po. Pero meron po kami scientific.
May scientific kayong
Thank you po, Doc.
Okay, yes.